Hi, my name is Edie. I'm a licensed CPA from Chicago. Here to talk about and give a real CPA reaction to a real accountant versus HIM500 and Earn Your Leisure. So, I watch a lot of these financial literacy tip videos, and I did notice HIM500, and there were some things that were a little unusual about what he was saying, but like you can't Google what I teach. I mean, you gotta be. I don't want to pile on him 500 at all. So I'm gonna address pocket watchers, the real accountant. You were right in general about the guy not giving good financial advice in that instance, right? What concerned me was the professionalism should still be there. I don't want to hear about this video going to be on their obituary if it was up to me. What is this? Are you a rapper beefing, or are you a CPA? Well, you're not a CPA. So are you an accountant who's professional, who called out bad financial advice? Good job. But what's the extra stuff for? Like, what are we doing? You understand? Like, I don't even have a significant platform. I spend thousands in marketing to bring local people in, people who Google search CPA advice, blah blah blah. So I don't need social media to grow my platform. So maybe I'm just ignorant. Maybe you have to do the clout chasing stuff. Like the rappers who are trying to maintain relevance and do some goofy stuff to get arrested, or start beefing with someone and dissing someone and all that. I don't know. Maybe you're dissing them extra hard. Him 500, he acknowledged he was wrong, basically, and his room for improvement. I respect his clarification video. I do think he should be careful about getting ahead of himself and trying to have this aura of just being like a financial genie or something. It really, the whole you can't Google this stuff is like everything's on Google, dude. Like, I've seen a social security number from a client. There was a state contract, and state contracts and the state have to be online, and the secretary for the state just scanned it in, and not the secretary of state, but some secretary admin person just scanned in the whole contract. And I'm like, wow, yes, we want transparency in government, but my client's socials are on the internet. So my point is, all that extra gimmick stuff, maybe that's how they blow their channel up, maybe that's why. But what at what cost? Are we going back and forth talking about I never back down a fight? This video is going to be on your obituary if it was up to me. Hopefully people believe there are professional, real accountants who have CPA license out, who are not into the drama. Like, do black men have to have every profession has to have some kind of entertainment element into it? Can we just have do we always have to be shucking and jiving and tap dancing and every type of you're an accountant, you understand? So that's what I was with your delivery and everything. I'm not gonna disrespect anyone, but so that was something that wasn't for me. But the substance of what you're talking about was usually right, and it was helpful. The thing was just where is all this going? I don't have to make this video. I don't need social media clout with clickbait type stuff and all that. I don't sell ebooks or courses and all that. Maybe I could, but I do notice trends from the people who are the biggest who do it, and I'm not gonna sell my soul. I get paid. I thank God for my income. I'm good. The machine works, and I'm just I was looking, and I'm like, wow. Are the black accountants and financial literacy people, are they really gonna just be beefing? Are they gonna start dissing each other's dead ops? where's the rest of it going? What is the obituary energy? Why is that relevant? Even if it's metaphorical, why? That's disrespectful. And you're an accountant, you know? And then, you know, it's like, I think Art Your Leisure could do a little more due diligence before they put certain professionals on. I have seen some people who are really sending people off pretty much. So it's like, does Art Your Leisure want to do that? No. I think they may have, you know, some kind of incentive to still have people on who may be at a certain due diligence level or not. So, you know, maybe they could look at that. HIM500, I respect, he posted this video clarifying that, and I think some other tips. I think if we took a step back and said, okay, the image of Black financial literacy professionals needs to be respected, and it can't fall into the same lane as the beefing and just weirdness. You know what I'm saying? Like that could be in the entertainment world, and maybe they see themselves as entertainers as much as accountant or financial literacy pros or whatever. But it's like, I saw this and I was just like, wow, hopefully people can, you know, I spend a lot of money on marketing, and I get a lot of referrals from people referring people to me and all that good stuff. So I don't drop social media or YouTube videos like that anymore. I have a handle at Smart with Money CPA, but and it shares tips like what to expect with the new IRS child tax credit payments and things like that. But what I was noticing is like the videos and like the dissing is just like really disappointing, and I wanted people to know that there are Black CPAs. You know, there's accountants, and they have a financial advisor license. I had a financial advisor Series 65, registered with the federal government, fingerprint, all that good stuff. And to get that exam was way easier to pass than passing the 4 CPA exams. So I think people should just be a little more humble. Even if you're going to criticize someone, don't come from this high horse, this principle of the school type of energy. Like, we're all grown, and there's a way to do stuff. And I think that was something, that's what the real CPA reacts to, a real accountant versus HIM500 and Earn Your Leisure. They don't gotta listen to me. They got a lot more followers and all that good stuff than me, but like the other Black professionals are kind of like, where is this going? Is this another entertainer show? Black man, come on, let's entertain. Even as accountants and CPAs, like, chill out. What are you talking about? Obituaries and never back down from a fight. Okay, you know. But it was just very weird. So that's my real CPA reaction to HIM500 and what's it, Pocket Watcher. All right, thank you.